We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with TRKA doing a full transition in the last 2 days from the dip area to the rip area. And today doing a full transition from the rip area of bright green bars to red bars. Now, it was not the only stock falling. TRKA was not the only stock dropping. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot at 10:25 a.m. sent out a bear indicator, and from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 100% plus within minutes to an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with TRKA trying to hold support here above 20 cents, hitting a high of 28 cents. And we need to talk about the inflow versus outflow and bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Netflix bot. Our Netflix bot sent out a bear indicator at 9:45 a.m. And from that moment forward, outflows were below the midpoint. Pure weakness now on 42 vision, and put options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots. And we look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with TRKA stock, as I stated earlier in the video, doing a full transition in the last 2 days from the dip area of white with red borders to bright green bars, and today doing a full transition back down towards red bars. Now, if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with TRKA under a bear indicator, and also outflows crossing back down, guys, after getting that bull indicator yesterday at around 21 cents, hitting 26 cent area, and the inflows getting back over. Well, now today it hit a high of 28 cents while outflows were beginning. They weren't dominating yet. We were above the midpoint, but they were beginning because they were red, they were in green, and it went right back down below it, and a bear indicator popped up at around 25 cent area. Not that far off the rejection that happened yesterday, guys. Now, in the bigger picture, it still seems to be in a staircase effect, but it's going to have to go back up. If not, the bulls are losing traction here pretty quickly, and this turned out to be a possible dead cat bounce, as they call it, right? When it just bounces up really quick, but not enough strength to hold itself in a trend, right? So here we are with the outflows dominating again on the 30-minute, and it's going to be crucial here for these inflows to pick back up. And I'm going to share with you guys the key levels I would watch going into next week. So the first thing is, we see it here on the 30-minute. We have outflows again dominating in a bear indicator, but on the 1 hour here, this is crucial. It's still above the midpoint, guys. Yes, it's under a bear indicator since 24 cents, not that far from 25 cents where the 30-minute popped up. But these inflows, yes, they're red, but we're right there near the midpoint, and it's going to be crucial for the bulls to try to bring this back up so that strength can start to reflect into the chart and possibly cancel out this bear indicator on the 1 hour chart. Now, here we are with it red. If those outflows cross, that could quickly start to reflect over the chart and bring things down even quicker, back down to test the support of 20 cents. I would not ignore that, and that is something to not overlook. Now, when we zoom into the volatility on the 15-minute, we could see here that outflows crossed, a bear indicator popped up around 26 cents, not that far off from 25. So we got one at 26 on the 15-minute, 25 on the 30-minute, and 24-cent area on the 1 hour. So we have multiple time frames under a bear indicator, but with the outflows, we only have the 15-minute and the 30-minute, but the 1 hour is fighting to hold. Now, here we have it in the second half of the day. Yes, a bear indicator and outflows dominating on the 30-minute and the 15-minute as we see here, but these inflows are trying to pick up, and it's going to be crucial for it to cross back over so any strength can start to reflect into the chart and start pushing things up. And if that can roll over into the larger time frames, it could start pulling them up with it, right? And eventually possibly cancel out this bear indicator as well. This will be crucial. It is very interesting as things leveled off. These inflows are trying to pick up. Yes, outflows are dominating, but we want to see it continue. And if it can cross over that midpoint, it will be crucial for some of that strength to possibly start to reflect into the chart, and pretty quickly once that midpoint is crossed over. Now, what are the key levels I would watch to the upside and to the downside? Well, the first thing is the support of 22 cents. That'll be crucial. If that gets broken through, I'll be watching if these outflows continue to pull down lower. And the next support is 20 cents. And to the upside, I'm going to be watching if these inflows can pick back up here on the 30-minute. Same thing here on the 15-minute. We want these inflows to go ahead and start showing strength, crossing over, showing that strength into the chart, canceling these bear indicators such as here on the 15-minute, and same thing here on the 30-minute. Get that strength up, cancel that bear indicator with possible bull indicators. And if these inflows can hold up here on the 1 hour and pull away from the midpoint, that'll be crucial as well. And the resistance levels I'm watching to the upside, the first one is 25 cents, right around that area where the bear indicator popped up. And then above that is the high of the day at 28 cents. And if that gets broken through, the next area of resistance is up here at the 34-cent mark, guys. That is crucial. That is a crucial area based off the history of the chart. And it's going to be crucial for these inflows to pick up, cross that midpoint with strength, and cancel out this bear indicator so some of that strength can go ahead and reflect into the charts with a possible bull indicator. As always, guys, these are the key levels I'm watching to the upside and to the downside. I'm going to watch the bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.